Leading telecommunications company MTN Ghana has reiterated its commitment to leverage technology to address risks associated with lending in the small and medium-scale sector. Speaking at MTN Ghana's Business Executive Breakfast Series on bridging the credit risk gap for SMEs, Chief Executive of Mobile Money Limited, Shaibu Haruna, noted that effective collaborations with lending institutions will enhance the current risk assessment. Here is more.
The practice of identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risks associated with extending credit to individuals and businesses in the small and medium-scale sector has been a major hurdle for lending institutions. The introduction of credit reference bureaus by the Bank of Ghana has greatly improved credit risk assessment of potential loan applicants in the country. In the absence of a proper de-risking facility, some SMEs, especially those in the agri sector, are still handicapped. Speaking at MTN Ghana's Business Executive Breakfast Series on bridging the credit risk gap for SMEs, Chief Executive of Mobile Money Limited, Shaibu Haruna, noted that the use of technology and effective collaborations with lending institutions will enhance the current risk assessment regime.
For us in MTN, we believe that we have the technology that will enable us address the issues around the risk of default of customers, and this we are doing by using customer transaction data in order to be able to predict the ability to pay and also the risk around default. And based on their transaction behavior, we can profile them in terms of the levels of credit that we're able to provide them in partnership with the banks and other financial service providers.
Meanwhile, CEO of AS Farms and a panelist on the forum, Kwame Enimsumwa, called for a review of interest rates based on the credit ratings of entrepreneurs.
Once the credit scoring is in place, then I think the interest rates should be structured in a way that it actually reflects on your credit score. It shouldn't be a blanket score for everybody because you are going to this sector. But then individually, the credit score, the credit scoring and models for drafting it should include your credit rating, which will help drive the interest rates a bit low for us.
Chief Enterprise Business Officer at MTN, Angela Mensah-Poku, reiterated the telecom giant's commitment to collaborate with relevant stakeholders in developing solutions for the SME sector.
There's a lot more we can do when it comes to products and services by listening to our customers and making sure that we have deep insights that is reflective of our customers' needs. So my commitment is definitely that for SME Month, we won't just talk about it, we won't talk about the big English, but we'll bring more practical and collaborative solutions.
The topic for this edition of MTN Ghana's Executive Breakfast Series was bridging the credit risk gap for SMEs.